What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you guys how to turn your boring old helmet from something like this to something like this using a kit from the company called CamoKitz. CamoKitz is a kit that allows you to personalize your helmet into some kind of camo design. They have a bunch of different colors on the website, and it was developed by a very good friend of mine, so I decided to make the installation video for them as well as throw it up on my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to go from this to this using one of their kits. When you get your package, you're going to get something like this. What CamoKitz is pretty much a bunch of high quality vinyl stickers that you're going to use to personalize your helmet. These are pre-cut stickers, so they're kind of done all the hard work for you. And you're also going to get an instruction card that shows you guys how to install it, but obviously just watch this video and I'll go through it completely. The first step is to kind of separate the stickers into the different colors and different sizes. So for this helmet, what we're going to do is install the Millionaire package on it. What that is the gold kind of CamoKitz, and these are the three base colors you're going to get. So you're going to get black, gold, gray, and white in this kit, and obviously for different color kits, you're going to get different colors. But the first step is to go ahead and sort out different sizes and the different colors into different piles. So there we go. Now we got all the colors sorted by different sizes. So we have the black, gray, white, and gold in the large, medium, and small stickers. So the next step is to take your helmet and clean it. So for this, you can use pretty much any kind of alcohol swab, or you can even use some hand sanitizer with a microfiber cloth if you don't have any alcohol swabs with you. Pretty much what you want to do is just kind of dab the hand sanitizer on the microfiber cloth and start wiping down the helmet so you make sure it's all clean and free from a lot of the oils. So now comes time to actually installing the stickers on the helmet. What you're going to want to do is start off with the black, gray, white, and gold large stickers and kind of space them around the helmet evenly, about 1 to 2 inches apart. All you're going to have to do is peel back the sticker and apply it directly on the helmet. So there you go. I started off with the black stickers and I kind of just went around the whole helmet, spacing them about 2 to 3 inches apart from each other. And as you guys can see, all the way around the helmet, there are some black stickers. Now I'm just going to continue doing the same with the larger white stickers and the gray stickers, as well as the gold stickers. And some of these you can go ahead and overlap just to kind of give you that desired camo look. So for example, here, you might want to put it right here and then throw another one kind of down here, right? So it's just kind of all about your creativity, but just continue going with the helmet all the way through the helmet, and I'll get back to you guys when I'm on the medium-sized stickers. So there we go. We now have the large stickers all the way around the helmet. As you guys can see, that some are spaced about 1 inch to 2 inches apart. Some are overlapping, and that's what you want to kind of do when you're installing this kit. You want some that are going to be overlapping, and you want some that are going to be spaced to 1 to 2 inches apart. We're going to go ahead and install the medium and the small stickers now. These stickers, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to want to overlap some, and you're going to want to space them out. So at the end of it, you're going to have pretty much a whole helmet that's fully camoed, and I'll show you guys the results right after the medium and then right after the small as well. All right, so I did a lot of the medium stickers. I have some left over, and that is just because the kit actually gives you more than enough stickers that you're gonna need. But for this part, I'm just leaving the medium stickers because I'm spaced out a lot of the medium stickers along the whole entire helmet, and I'm pretty happy with the results so far. So now I'm gonna move into the smaller stickers, and kind of the last kind of step is with the smaller stickers is just kind of filling in the little areas that you want to overlap a little bit more, and then you can kind of switch between medium and small stickers for the last final step. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the small stickers and throw in some medium stickers if I need to around the helmet, and I'll get back to you guys when I'm done that. And there we go. We have all the stickers on the helmet. I still have about 10 to 12 of them left over, but that's obviously because the kit gives you a little bit extra stickers just in case you have a larger helmet, or if you have to kind of fix any stickers that you install incorrectly. But yeah, there it is. I think it looks pretty great compared to what it looked like before. Just kind of a standard basic gray helmet, but now it looks kind of camoed out and a little bit more personalized to match the bike. So there you go. And like I said at the beginning of the video, these are super high quality vinyl stickers, so if you have to wash this helmet, if you're riding in the rain, it's not going to affect it at all. Obviously, when you're washing it, you can just take a microfiber cloth and just wipe over all the stickers, and they're going to stay on there because the adhesive is pretty strong. So yeah, you're not going to have any problems with it at all. So there's the one helmet with the Millionaire color wave on it, and then I'll bring out the other helmet. This is the other helmet with the Arctic colorway on it. This is the blue and this is the gold. And as you guys can see, these are two different size helmets and the kits worked for both of them. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to get one of these camo kits for yourselves, they're linked in the description down below. And if you have any questions, make sure you put them in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. Like I said, this is one of my good friends, his small company he started up. So I do want to support him, and I thought I would make this video for his website as well as my YouTube channel. So yeah, make sure you guys get the link down in the description below to grab yours. Like I said, these are universal kits, so they work on any helmets out there. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.